I think we have faced the IG head on with his people and looked at him straight in the eye and told him that the attack at Wetima Church on Sunday in Othaya was not an ordinary attack. It was an assassination attempt targeted towards Rigathi Gachagua, sanctioned by William Ruto, planned by Kipchumba Murkomen and Eliud Langat, and a special squad of police officers called Nairobi Sierra of 12 officers was dispatched to eliminate us in charge. We have told the IG that before we come back on the 16th, those members of that unit need to be arrested and disarmed and taken to court, and he must give that assurance. And we have said that if this situation continues after 16th, hatutakuwa na lingine la kufanya ni kuitisha maandamano katika Jamhuri ya Kenya until Kipchumba Murkomen is removed from office, IG Kaja is removed from office, and the two DIGs are removed from office, and the National Police Service can be put back into order. 2 vehicles were sent from Nairobi by the regional police commander, one from Buruburu Police Station, another one from Makadara Police Station. Hao ndio walisafirisha hao maafisa ya polisi ambaye majina yao yote tumewapatia, na tungetaka wachukue hatua, hao maafisa wakuwe disarmed na wapelekwe kotini. Na tutarudi, na kama haitawezekana basi tutauliza Wakenya wajitokeze until things are restored. In the meantime, we have resumed our political activities. Saa hii tunaingia CBD, tutarudi Othaya on Sunday, tutakuwa pale Gitugi on Sunday, na tumeambia police officers kama hawataki kulinda mikutano yetu wasikuje kusaidia wahuni. Yeah? Wasikuje kusaidia wahuni. Ndio sisi tuweze kuendelea. Kwa hivyo sisi tuko hapo na hivyo ndivyo tutaendelea. Asante.